Welcome to Bell Phillips Housing in Greenwich. The Royal Borough of Greenwich, with an ageing population, has an acute need for more homes for the over 60s, and at the same time, like much of London, have many families living in overcrowded accommodation. So they identified a number of underutilised garage sites, such as this one at Walnut Tree Road. So the plan was to bring these sites back to life, repair the public realm, and provide quality, accessible homes for older people to retire into. And at the same time, this would free up larger homes for families, providing a chain of benefit.
We've designed these houses on 6 different sites throughout the borough. And in order to achieve a really good economy of scale, we've created a single house topology that we've used across all of those sites. And the design of the houses is based on the HAPPY principles, which are a set of design guidance which aims to improve the quality of homes for elderly people. For example, good flexibility, good daylight, good ventilation. And we've achieved that here through an open plan kitchen, dining, living space and 2 bedrooms. The main bedroom is at the rear and at the front. The second bedroom is useful for a number of functions. For example, a workroom or a home office, or a space for visitors to stay, or even a place for a live-in carer to stay should that become necessary later in life. In order to make best use of the available site, we've built these houses quite close to the pavement edge, but with that comes the risk of losing privacy in your ground floor living space. So to combat that, we've created a double height living space with a big clear story up above. All of the daylight comes in from the upper level, allowing the window at ground floor to be quite modest and just give you a visual connection with the outside world without losing privacy. In terms of materials, we've used brick on the lower level and we've used zinc on the upper level dormers. And the scale of those dormers also relates, as you can see, to the 2- and 3-storey houses nearby to create a bungalow which nonetheless has a scale which is appropriate to the context. And the zinc from VMZINC is also great in as much as it can be used on the vertical plane and a shallow and a steep pitch, so it works very well with the quite complex geometry of these butterfly roofs.
We've worked really hard to design for the needs of older people, and it's been really great to speak to some of the residents and hear their thoughts. Many really enjoy the generosity of space and the quality of light from the clear story, and one resident even said how they'd never quite lived in anything like it before.
It's interesting that the zinc originated in Paris in the 19th century, but here it is being used again in the 21st century in Greenwich in a slightly different format.